We'll continue our Flutter for Beginners series with the web page Write Your First Flutter App. Now, in a previous video, we visited this web page before and generated the mobile app described therein. Now what we'll do, we'll actually run it on a browser. You're invited to do so in yet another web page, and we'll do that. We'll likely do that today as well. For now, let's go through the steps required to run it on Chrome. Now, we started the second video in the release channel stable. To run it on Chrome, however, you have to move, for now, we have to move to the release channel beta, as that version contains the web-enabled functionality and is yet to be fully tested. So be aware, however, going back and forth release channels can be an issue in that they are not cached. Hence, you may be downloading SDK versions with every switch from one release to another. It might take time. We'll speed up this video so it won't take this long, but be prepared to wait a few moments, if not 3 to 5 minutes, for it to switch. There, switch to the beta. Perfect. Now we're going to run this. To run in Chrome, we issue the command flutter run device Chrome. Again, unfortunately, because we've switched and there's no caching involved, it's going to check the Dart SDK. And the Dart SDK version is different from the Dart SDK version in the stable release channel. So we'll speed up this video so we don't have to go through, so you yourself do not have to wait as we do this. Well, that took a long time. So again, it's best to work with one release channel. And to put further injury, we're having an issue here. In this packet version, it requires characters, the package characters. So in beta, there's a new library. However, here in this version, in the stable version, it doesn't have that library. A quick way to solve this is to delete the generated file Dart tools, because it contains, of course, for a cache of packages, a cache of libraries used by Android Studio. Unfortunately, it doesn't have that one particular version. Again, a quick way to resolve this is to delete that folder. Delete that folder and then run it again. That folder will be regenerated. It will produce the right because we're in a different channel now, it'll bring in all the libraries necessary. So let's go that flutter run Chrome. As always, they warn you that this is not a stable version. And it comes up. And there you have it. Look at that. Just as an aside, the differences between those two files are readily seen here. Again, the original Dart version simply did not have that library file called characters. In this case, deleting that tools, that Dart_tool folder, will allow the SDKs to be updated with this release. Let's leave it at that and continue on with our series, Flutter for Beginners.